How to fix messages not sending on an iPhone? Well, if you're using iMessage and your messages are not sending, the first step is to always check your internet connection. Make sure that you have stable internet connection and it is strong and working. If that fails, what you want to do is you want to restart your iPhone. If you're facing an internet connection, then you can restart your iPhone and check if the issue is fixed, and also make sure to restart your particular Wi-Fi router, or if you're using your cellular data, you can toggle on and off the airplane mode. That's the basic. Now verify you have the correct number or email and that they aren't blocked. So you can head into your settings and head into apps. Under apps, head into messages. And if you have blocked any, you should be able to see the blocked users, blocked contacts here. Make sure that they are not blocked. Similarly, make sure to update your iPhone. Keep it updated as your iMessage or your Messages app is updated with your software update. Hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe.